वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. You know what's fascinating? We humans forget the very source that gave us this life. It's like using a mobile phone without ever charging it, enjoying the apps, photos, games, but forgetting that the battery is running out. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Sri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 616 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji shakes us awake. Surat Mahalla Panjwa Maya Moh Magan Andiyare Devan Har Na Jane, which means infatuated with the darkness of emotional attachment to Maya. He does not know the Lord, the great giver. Guruji further says, Jio Pind Saaj Jin Rachya, Bal Apno Kar Mane, which means the Lord created his body and fashioned his soul, but he claimed that his power is his own. Now the question is, why do we forget? Because we get busy claiming everything is mine. My success, my body, my family, my money, my achievements. But think for a second. Did we create this body? Did we design the heartbeat? Did we write the code of our breath? No. We are living in a house that was gifted to us, but we keep behaving as if we are the owners. You worked hard for a job promotion. The day it happens, you tell yourself, I did it, my talent, my effort. But isn't it true that someone gave you health, breath, intelligence, and even a chance to be in that office? Or think of a farmer. He plants the seed, but can he guarantee the rain? Can he command the soil? The real giver is always behind the scenes, and this is the beautiful part of it. Yet we live in an illusion, like a tenant who thinks that he owns the landlord's house. So here's what happens. We build stories around us. This is mine, I'm the doer, I'm in control. And then we start living as if those stories are the reality. But facts are different. The fact is, your breath is on rent, your body is on lease, and the contract can end any time. The moment you separate the story from the fact, you get free from Maya, you get free from illusion. Remember the last time you got angry when someone didn't give you respect. That anger came because of a story, I should be respected. But the fact is, respect is not in your control. Only your state of being is. When you see this difference, story versus fact, you stop being a victim and you start taking the responsibility of your responses. So in the next words, Guruji says, Man moode dekh rahe Prabh Swami, O foolish mind, God your Lord and Master is watching over you. जो किछ करे सोई सोई जाने रहे न कछु इछानी rahao, which means whatever you do, he knows. Nothing can remain concealed from him. So what does this mean? It means nothing is hidden. Every thought, every action, every motive, it's all transparent to the one who gave us life. Just like CCTV doesn't miss a single moment. The divine presence doesn't miss a single intention. So how we can implement this beautiful Hukamnama in our daily life? First of all, drop the illusion of control. Next time you succeed, instead of I did this, say thank you for letting it flow through me. Shift from ownership to stewardship. Your body, relationships, resources, treat them like borrowed gifts. Care them with gratitude, not pride. Third is be cause, not effect. Instead of blaming situations, choose your response. That's how you align with the great giver. So imagine this, you are in a drama on stage, lights, music, audience. It all looks so real. But when the play ends, the costume goes, the lights shut, you step off the stage, then you realize who you really are. Life is exactly that play. Don't get stuck in the costume of ego and Maya. Remember, the director is watching. The stage is his, and you are here to play your role with grace. So now let's implement this beautiful Hukamnama. Here is one simple assignment for you today. Write down 3 places in your life where you say, this is mine, I am the doer. Now write next to each one, fact, this is a gift, I am only the caretaker. Do this. Watch your stress reduces, the gratitude rises, and your life aligns with the hukam. So today, instead of saying it's mine, say it's yours, thank you. And in that one shift, we move from darkness to light, from Maya to Vaheguru. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, Sarbatta Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.